there will be a gateway. Okay, so as the name suggests, a gateway. Okay, so it is a passage to connect two networks together made upon the different networking model. Okay, so rather than it will be LAN, it will be a WAN, it will be WAN, whatever the different types of network model you have. If you want to connect, it will be your gateway will be used. Okay, it will the name suggests it is a passage to connect two network together that may work upon the different types of model. Okay. So they basically work as a messenger agent that take data from the one system, interpret it, and the transfer to another system. So basically, it works on the transport layer and the session layer of the OSI model. Okay, gateway perform all the functions of a router itself and the much more capability. Okay, the route it is a router with the translation functionality in a gateway thing. So generally, what happens in a large scale environment or the corporate network, that generally they follow this type of thing. Okay, the router will communicate with all the system. After router, all the traffic will go to your gateway. So either it will your firewall, it will other device network device that can be used as the gateway. Over there, it is the functionality of providing the network also and some much more functionality rather than to router. So that's the thing about the gateway. Okay. So moving forward, firewall itself. Okay. So basically, firewall is a network security device that will filter out the traffic on a network itself. Okay, so whatever the things have done, like what if there is a malicious traffic came, so based on the rule that we have made, then firewall will work. Okay, so it will allow or deny based on the rule we have made for the particular traffic itself. Okay, firewall can be used to separate network nodes from the external traffic to internal traffic. As I mentioned, or even the specific application. If you want to more control, like specific, sometime what happen, you encounter the problem, you are not able to access some website. So that type of error, like at that time, you can see the error like firewall error. Check the firewall it is blocking or not. Check the internet is connected. Okay, just let me show you that type of error. Okay, so you can see here itself. Uh, the site can be reached. Checking your connection. Check the connection. Second port will be say checking your proxy or the firewall. Okay, so whatever the control on the organization is, the all the control or the traffic will be monitored. We can say incoming and outgoing, all the traffic will be monitored by the firewall itself. Okay, and based on that, they have created your administrator has created the rule like what type of traffic should allow, what type of application is able to access by the user. So that type of mechanism is done through the firewall itself. Basically, all above device like switch, router, hub, gateway, those are connecting device for the system or your network. Whereas firewall is a security network security device is used for filtering the traffic, like whether based on the rule that we have created. Okay, so that is a functionality of the firewall. Okay, so firewall can be your fire software, your hardware base, your cloud base also. Okay, so here the primary goal of the firewall is to block the malicious traffic request and the data packet while allowing the legitimate traffic. This is the main goal, to block the malicious traffic request and the data packet while allowing the legitimate traffic that coming through on the your network. Okay, so it can be your software based, hardware based, or the cloud based.
Thank you for watching. Switch from non-IT to IT today. Explore www.thinkcloudly.com.